Hello, this is Meena Shungi. Good into all, first good into all. We are in the lesson of statistics. Let's start that now. In that, we are in the last topic, that is statistics last topic, that is graphical representation. Graphical representation. So graphical representation of cumulative frequency distribution. So how means it is called by one name, that is ogive. So it is called ogive, that is of the less than. There are two types, of the less than type and of the more than type. So that curve is also called as cumulative frequency curve or ogive, that is the of the less than type or of the more than type. So two methods are there. So if you refer the 13.13 example, in that they given, first they given class intervals, then less than values they given as less than less than 10, then less than 20, like that, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So the number of, this is the less than values, then this is mass obtained, mass, then cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency, if they given frequency 5, 3 like that, so cumulative means we have to add it when it is less than, we have to add it. So 5, then 5 plus 3 8, then 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 3 18, 18 plus 4 22, then 29, then 29 plus 7 36, 36 plus 45, and 45 plus 8 is 53. So we given total 53 students. The last number should be 53. So it is a 5, 8, 12, 15, 18, 22, 29, 36, 40, 45, 53. This is the less than values. They given intervals 0 to 10 like that. So 0 to 10 is the class intervals and the number of students is the frequency. So frequency I converted into cumulative frequency by adding the numbers because it is less than type. So less than means less than 10 will get values 5. Less than 20 means 8. How means? Because 10 to 23 and 0 to 10 5. Both lies below the 20 value. So it is 8 value. Like that. More than also they given. More than. Same problem only more than. More than. So as it is more than also mass and cumulative frequency. So here mass means it will be more or, so in class interval is lesser number is 0, so I have to start from there. So lesser is 0, so more or equal to 0, then 10, then 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, so 90. So 10, 20, 30, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So cumulative frequency means this is the cumulative frequency of less than, it is adding the numbers. So cumulative frequency, how to find for the cumulative frequency for more than means, for the total values they given 53. So I write 53 in the upside, that is more or equal to 0 is 53. Then subtract that the frequency, 53 minus 5 48, then 48 minus 3 is 45, then 45 minus 4 41, then 41 minus 3 38 and 35, then 35 minus 4 is 31, then so 53, 48, 45, 41, 38, 35, 31, 24, 15, 8. The last number should be same as that of first number, that is 5 there, no? Here 8 means, so 8 will be last term. So this is the more than or equal to more than type. This one, this is more than type, more than, this is more than type, and this is the less than type, less than type. So now we try to solve this one graphically. So graphically means, so for the first one, if you take x-axis and y-axis, this is x-axis and this is the y-axis. So x-axis will be the less than or more than. So less than I am taking. So here upper limits. When less than is there, you have to take upper limits. So this will be cumulative frequency table. So this is the cumulative frequency curve or ogive. Ogive means of the less than type or of the more than type. So both also you can find out the median from the help of these two figures. See what we have to do, upper limits. So upper limits, see 10, 20, 30. So the gap is 10. So if you take one value as 10, then 20, like 30, then 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 80, 90 and 100. So we got the value. So corresponding these two values, the values is cumulative frequency, that is 5 like that. So for 10 it is 5. So 5. If I take 5 here, 10, 15, up to 45 is there, no, 53 is there. So you can take directly 10. 1 point is equal to 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So if you do the diagram for this one, you will get the less than type as, so for 10 it is 5. So 10, 5, you know 10, 5, then 20, 8, then 30, 12, 40, 15, 50, 18. So like that you have to take the first upper limit and then the cumulative frequency. Then you will get the diagram in this way. So median should be 66.4. So 66 here means. So here you will get that one. And upside means they given how much? 53 means 26.5. So 26.5. Here you have to draw. So this will be approximately like this. So I am taking the approximation. So we have to draw the from the that n by 2 value. N by 2 n is 53. So n by 2 will be 26.5. So in the y-axis 26.5, you have to draw one parallel line to the x-axis. So from that point to touching that curve, after that here it is in the touching the curve. No? So from that you have to draw the one perpendicular line to the x-axis. The x-axis where it cuts the point, that will be the median. So this will be median 66.4. The given is 66.4. So this only we can do also in more than method. So more than means you have to start from lesser number, that is 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 90. Here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So smaller number will be in the more than type, and greater number will be in the less than type. So then after this one, for the same more than type, if you take this is x and y, so values same 0, 0, 10 you have already here also 0, 10 only. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, like that you have to take the values here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 up to 100, up to 100. You have to take, this is x and this is y. This is lower limits and this is the cumulative frequency values. So here the how much is it? 53 is there. So same as you have to take here only 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So based on this you have to draw this one. First one 0 is 0 comma 53. So 0 is 0, start from 0, 0 comma 53. So 0 comma 53 will come automatically here. So it will start here. So it will go to 66.4. So it will be 26.5 is the n by 12. So 26 means this will be, so this will be here starting 53, then 90, up to 90. So you are 90 and they given. So 53, 0 comma 53, then 10 comma 48. Okay, 10 comma 48, 10 comma 48. So here it will come 10 comma 48, then 20 comma 45. 45 means here. Then 30 comma 4, 30 comma 41, 30 comma 41, 30 comma 41 here it comes. So approximately it will be up to 66.4. So here. So you will get the how many points? So points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 points you will get. So 10 points. 10, you will get the 10 points. Up to here you will get the 10 points. You have to do that one. Then here 26.5 and this will be 9 up to 90 is there, no? 90 means so 26 here, then this will be so approximately we can take the answer will be 66.4. 66.4 for this also 66.4 and 66.4. You'll get the upside to downside, here upside downside to upside. So this is the for less than type and this is the more than type. So we can find the median weight by this separately also, by combined also. Combined means, so if you take this one as x and y, so the intersection of this less than curve and more than curve, the intersection of that from the perpendicular to the x-axis, that will give you median. Median will how it one means, if you take less than type curve and more than type curve, so by combining that those on the same axis, so the intersection of that point from the perpendicular to the x-axis, it will give you the median value. So this is about that more than less than type. Then for example they given. This is also an example. Next example. So what are they given? They given the annual profits earned by 30 shops of a shopping complex in a locality give rise to the following distribution. The number of total shopping complex is 30 shops. No, the profits earned by 30 shops of a shopping complex in a locality give rise to the following. So there are 30 shops. So first they given more than. So profit more than. Profit more than. Then number of shops. Number of shops. So they given more than and equal to 5. Then 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Then number of shops. Number of shops 30, 28, 16, 14, 10, 7, 3. So the given 30 shops they given, but it is in the upper side 30 means, downside 30 means it will be less than, but if the total number of frequencies is on the upper side means it is more than type. So this is the given more than type. Then first you have to convert this one into frequency. This is cumulative frequency of more than type. So to change that one you have to separate it from the first number to second number. So 30 minus 28, this is frequency I am finding now. This is cumulative frequency of more than type. Then 30 minus 28 is 2. Then 28 minus 16 is 12. 16 minus 14 is 2. Then 14 minus 10 is 4. 10 minus 7 is 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. And last is 3. So 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, 3, 4, 2, 2, 12, 2. This is the frequency of the this given more than type. So I convert it into frequency. Then, so if you draw for the more than this one, for this one, so x, this is y. So the given value is 5, 10 to 50. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. These values are in the 2, 12. So 2, 12, 2, 4, 3, 4, 3. This is the frequency I got. So if I convert this into less than type, so if I convert this into less than type, it will give, you have to add this one 2 as it is. 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 2 16, 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 3 23, then 23 plus 4 27, 27 plus 3 is 30. So there are 30. This is the less than type, and this is the more than type, and this is the less than type cumulative frequencies. And this is the cumulative frequency of more than type, and this is the middle is the frequency. This is less than type, less than type. So for this one, first step, draw the more than only. So more than means here you have to take more than means 5. It will start from 5, 10, 15 like that. 5 comma 30, then 10 comma 28, 15 comma 6, because they directly given the cumulative frequency. So I find out the frequency, and this is based on this I will find the less than type of cumulative frequencies. So for more than, it is directly 5, 30, 10, 28, 15, 16, 20, 14, 25, 10, 37 and 35, 3. If you draw this one, you will get the values. The n value is 30. 30 means 15 will be there. So 15 n value is 30 means the here they taken 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So this one they drawn, and the midpoint value is 30 means it will be n by 2. N by 2 will be 15. So 15 means it will come here. So 15 will come here. So here we have to draw, and curve will be more than, this is more than type. Now for more than type, it will be from the upside only. So up to 17.5. 30, 35, 30 is there. So 30 means it will be 15 only. So 15 means 15 if you draw this one here, and if you draw the more than type, so 5, 30, 5, 30, then 10, 28, 10, 28, then 15, 15, 16. So it will be 16 means here. Then 25, 25, 10, 25, 10. So 25 means 10 is here. So it will come here. Then 30, 30 comma 7, 30 comma 7, 7 means downside only. Then 35 comma 3. So 3 means downside only. So you will get the points like this. So we have to join this one. So if you join this one, the middle of the point is n by 2 is 15. So I will take 15 here. So if you draw x-axis to this one, you will get the weight 17.5. This one is the 17.5. So from the touching this line, then you have to draw the one line that is the perpendicular line to the x-axis. This will be the median. This will be median. So first you have to take this is more than means it will be lower limits. So this will be cumulative frequency table. So then from the lower limits 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 correspond to that one cumulative frequency is 30, 20. They given directly cumulative frequency. So no need to find out the frequency, but if you want to find the frequency, you have to subtract the one number to the other number, then 28 minus 2, like that, 28 minus 16, then 16 minus 4, like that. Then you want the values. So if you combine this with less than type also, if you take less than type means it will be downside to upside it will go. So as I given in the 13.6, they given both upside and downside. If you intersect that to one point, that is also median, that is 17.5. If not, here also we can separately we can find from the help of less than type or more than type. So only you have to remember more than type means it will the last interval which is the smaller number, it will be lower limits, that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. If it is 5 to 10 is the 5 to 10, like that, 5 to 10 is the class interval means 10 to 15, like that. The upper limit will be the last values for the less than 10. So 5 to 10 is 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. The last will be 40. 35 to 40, that will be the last value of the less than type. So I done that was the approximately the graph representation, and exercise problems I will do in the by the help of scale. So first one, they given daily income 100 to 120. They given in the intervals 100 to 120. This is income. Then these are the number of workers. Number of workers. So income. They given 12. Then 120 to 140. This is 14. Then 140 to 160. This is 8. Then 160 to 180. 6. Then 182 to 200. This will give 10. So 12, 14, 8, 6, 10. This is the 100 to 120, 120 continuous forms of the class intervals. Then first from the following distribution gives the daily income of 50 workers, total 50 workers. Then convert the distribution about to less than type. So less than type means you have to take the last values as the upper limits. So upper limits means 120. So 120 comma. So for the graph I am telling 120 I have to take, then 140, then 160, then 180, then 200. For less time means last values you have to take. If it is more than means from the zero less number of this first numbers you have to take. Then here the given number of workers as how much? 50. So this is 50 is there. So 50 number is there? No. So 50 number is not there means it is frequency. So we have to find this is what? Less than type. So less than type means we have to add from the first to the last. So cumulative frequency table will be 12, 12 plus 14, 26, 26 plus 8, 34, 34 plus 60 is 40, 12 plus 14, 26, 26 plus 8, 34, 34 plus 40, 40 plus 10 is 50. So you got the last number is 50. That will be less than cumulative frequency table. So for this one, after this one, you got the cumulative frequency table for the less than type. So this is the class interval. So I find out the less than. So less than means that will be less than. This is first number that will start less than 100, then 120, then 140, 160, 180. So less than means it will be 100, 120, 140. No, 120, 140, 160, 180 and 200. So they want 180, 200. No, so first you have to take the maximum number of the first interval, that is 120, then 140, 160, 180, 200. This is the less than type. This is the less than type. So 120, 140, 160, 180, 200 you got. So first you have to draw the graph for this one. For graph, so for values are in the see 12, 20, 12, 26, 34. So it is you can take 10, 20 like that. So if I take So for 2 centimeters, I am taking 10, 20 like that. So 10, 20, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I taken for root 2 centimeters, the cumulative frequency table has 10, 20, 30, 40 like that. So if I take that one, this will be 4, 2. So from this one 0, then 10, 20, 30, 40, and this is 50. So 10, 20, 30, 40, because it is lies between 10 to 50. Then this is y-axis, this is the cumulative frequency table values, these values. Then for the x-axis means it is the less than means it is upper limits. You have to take upper limits. So upper limits, how much they given? 120 you have to start. So 0, then 120, 140, 160, 180, 200. So 120, 140, 160. So for this one scale you can take approximately this also you can take 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters. So if you take 2 centimeters like this, then we have to find that 120. So last time means here it starts 120 comma 12. 120 comma 12 means it will come here. Then 140 is 26. 140 26. So it will become here 140 26. Then 160, that is 34. So 34. Then 180, it is 40. So exactly here 40. Then 200 for 50. So 200 for 50. So if you join this one, so this is the cumulative frequency curve. So from this one they given total values are 50. So 50 means the half of that value will be 25. So n by 2 will be 25. So 25 means here it comes middle. So if you join this one, so it should come so they asked only to draw the ogive, so no need to find out the median weight. So if you want to find the median weight, you have to take the n by 2 value. So n is 50 means 25. Here we have to start from. So join this one. So if you join this one, you will get the from this one parallel to x-axis. Then you have to draw this one. This will get you median. So you get the median like this. So you have to join from this to this. So this is the ogive curve or cumulative frequency curve. So only you have to take the values from the if they will give less than time means you have to take the second type numbers, that is 120, 140, 160, 180, 200. So 120, 140, 160, 180, 200. Corresponding to that one, you have to take cumulative frequencies, that is 120, 12, 140, 26, 160, 34, 180, 40, 200, 50, because it is in the 2020. So for 1 or 2 centimeters you can take 20 values. So for 1 also you can take 5 means it will be small values, you can take more than that. So for 2 centimeters you can take 20 values. Then you will get this x-axis, and y-axis is in the range of 10 to 50 is there. So for one scale, for 1 centimeter you can take 2 centimeter, 10 another 20, 2 centimeter, 20, then 30, 40 like that. You have to x-axis 20 value is equal to 2 centimeter. Then y-axis here also 2 centimeter is equal to 10 values. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 like that. This one 120, minimum 20. So 2 centimeters only you take. This is the value curve for the smooth cumulative frequency curve for the given graphical representation of that daily number of workers and their daily incomes. Then second one, for second one, they given during the medical checkup of a 35 students. So the total frequency is 35. Their weights were recorded. Their weights are given. So in that weight, then number of students, then they given less than, draw a less than type ogive for the given data and then upon the median weight from the graph and verify the result by using the formula. So for this one, they given weights as, they given directly less than, so we can't change anything, directly we can write less than 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52. For this one, 0, 3, 5, 9, 14, 28, 32, 35. Total they given 35 students. So last number 35 means it will be less than type only, and it is the cumulative frequency table. So this is the directly they given cumulative frequency. So you don't find cumulative frequency, they are directly given in the cumulative frequency. How to identify means the total number of the students will be the last value of the cumulative frequency value. So we got this one. For this one we have to draw. So for this the values are in the range of 10, 20, 30, 40 is there. This is 38 to 40, so to 2 is there. So 38, 40, 42. So if I start here, so for 2, 2, two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So I will start from here. So this is 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. This is 52. So this is 52. This is x-axis. This is the less than means upper limits. This is the upper limits. Then same that one y-axis they given in the terms of. So you can take 5, 10 like that. 5, 10 for 1 centimeter you can take 5, or 2 centimeters you can take 5. So if you take like that, so this is 5. So for 2 centimeter I take then 5, 5. So 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So last range is 35 is there. So I take then 35. So for corresponding this one, these are the values. So 38, 0. 38, 0, it will come here, first point. Then 40, 3. 43 means here only. 40, 3, I will take here. Then 42, 5. 42, 5. 5 is there here. 42, 5. Then 44, 9. 44, this is 9. So upside. Then 46, 14. 46 near to 15. Then 48, 28. 48, it is 28. 28. So here it will come here. Then 50, 50 is 32. 50, 32. It will come approximately here. Then 52, 35. So it will be 52, 35. So we got this one. So if you join this one, so we have to join the points. It will be in straight only, but I taken approximately. So it will come like that. So it will come like this in the smooth curving line. Then for this one, so we have to find the median. So median means we have to take the n by 2 value. N is how much? 35. So 35 means 35 of it will be 17.5. So it will be 17.15, 17.5. Here it comes. So you have to join. So if you join this one, you should touch the curve. Then from that curve, you have to draw the one perpendicular line, that is the median. So x-axis meeting, the x-axis meeting will be median. So see the answer, that is answer again 46.5. If you take the correct value, it will come middle of this 46 and 48, because 46.5 lies in this one. So we have to take the 2 centimeters as, take 2 centimeters as 5 value, so 5, 10 like that. This one has 2 is there, so for 2 centimeters 38, and after 2 centimeters, no, okay, 2 centimeters. For 2 centimeters, you can take the one value, that is 38, 40, 42 like that. Then you join the n by 2 value, that is 17.5 from this one. So 17.5, it will come here. You have to touch the curve. From curve, you have to draw the perpendicular, and it touches the x-axis, that is the median. So here is the median will be 46.5. So we have to check this one also in by filling the formula. They told you to do in the formula also. So formula is n by 2 is the n by 2 Cf divided by F into H. This is L plus, this is the median formula, L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by F into H. So lower limit here है. So L is here 17.5. So 17.5 means here it lies. So 48 to 50. 48 to 50 means 48. Then plus n by 2. So n by 2 is 35 there. 35 of is 17.5 minus cumulative frequency of the previous. This is the, where is this one? 48. So 48 to 50, that is 14. 14 divided by F means frequency of the median class. Median class, this one 48 to 50, so 28. Then into H is class interval, that is 2. So 2 ones are 2 14s are. This is in the bracket. So 48. Which one they given? 15. So 38, 17.5. So 17.5 means less than 38 40. 38 40. Then so class unit will be changed. No? So less than 38 means here 38 will be 38 40. So it is less than means it will be, weight will be, it will be 38, then 38 to 40, then 40 to 42, then 40 to 44, then 44 to 46, 44 to 46, then 46 to 48, then 48 to 50, 50 to 52. So these are the, we will get the less than 38, 32, 8, 40, 40 to 40. This is the class interval of this system. They even in the less than. So I can write into class intervals 30, 38 like this. So if it is 14 means here cumulative frequency is so they given 17.5, no? 17.5. So 35 of it 17.5. So 17.5 it lies in the 48. So last this one. So this is the class interval, that is 46 to 48. Last three means 1, 2, 3. So 46 to 48. So if it is at 46 to 48, it will get here 46. Then 17.5 minus then previous term, that will be 46 to 48. 49 9 will come. 9 no. Minus 14. Previous is 14. Then this one 2 divided by 28. 28 means this is the F frequency of the that median class, that is 46 to 48 is 28. So 28, 2 ones are 2 14s are. This will give you 46 plus 17.5 minus 14 is 3.5 divided by 14. So 46. Then plus, if you take 35 4s are 35 fours are 5000. 35 fours will be 140. So I write this one 3.5 as 35 by 10, and 10 into 14 will be 40. So this will give 35 ones are 35 fours are. So for point 8 minus 14. So minus 14 no, so this is 14 because median is 14 only, no, 14. So this is 14. So 2 ones are 2 sevens are. So 7 means here 7. Then 35 by 3.5 is there. So 3.5 divided by 7 means 35 by 70. So it will give 1 and 2. So it will be 46.5. So 46.5 is the, which one is one? 46.5 is the their weights. Weight of the median class will be 46.5. So this is from the formula, that is if you take this one as less than 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52. So these are the corresponding class intervals. This is in the form of less than. Then you have to take the this is cumulatively because last number is 35. So directly you can check from that 46 to 48. This one it is 14. So I taken 14 as the median class. Then n by 2. N by 2 means total is 35. 35 by 2 is 17.5. Then lower limit means 46 to 48. So it will come 46. Then h is class interval, that is gap is 2. So you get the 46.5. From diagram also you got the 46.5. So like that they given you to find out the third question, that is the following table gives production yield per hectare of wheat of 100 farms. So the total is 100 farms. So 100 farms means if you see the total number of frequencies value upside, it will be more than. If it is downside means it will be less than. They given directly this one in the form of production yield. They given class intervals. First we convert it into more than. So because you have to find out the more than. More than how means? More than means you have to take the first values. That is 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. So more than or equal to 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. You have to leave the 80. So because it lies in the 75 only. So after that words they given cumulative frequency in the form of more than. So it is they given frequency. So how I have to do means you have to take upside 100. So 100 minus 2, 98. 98 minus 8 is 90. Like that you have to subtract from the upper to the downside, and it will remain, last number will remain in the same position, that is 16. So more than or equal to 75. So for this we have to draw this upper limit, lower limit values, and also the taking the corresponding cumulative frequency. So graphical representation only you have to more than type or less than type. So we are separately you can find also, and you can find by combining both also. You got this intersection point will be the median from the cutting the axis from the perpendicular of the line. So third one you only try. I give you how to do. So this completes this lesson with statistics lessons. Here this diagram is usually only have to see the when it is less than and when it is more than. That is the main important. So take the next lesson and the probability in the next session. So please subscribe to the channel, and if you like it, share it to others. It is very helpful for the 10 students. Share it more and more for the students to understand this one. Thank you.